Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to review past simple tense with you. So let's get started. The past simple tense is for things that happened in the past and finished. So look at this example now. Or the verb in English divides into regular and irregular. The verb changes into past, the regular verbs changes into past by adding ed at the end of the verb. Look at these examples. Help, helped. Play, played. Open, opened. So these are the regular verbs. If you want to change into past, add ed at the end of these verbs. The irregular verbs, you must keep them. For example, sleep, slept, run, ran, come, came. So the irregular verbs, you cannot add ed at the end of these verbs. So you have to keep them. The verb, if the verb changes, or if the verb ends with y, precedes by a consonant, change y into I, then add ed at the end of the verb. For example, study, studied, carry, carried, cry, cried. So this is very important rule. If the verb ends with y, precedes by a consonant, you have to change the y into I, then add ed at the end of the verb. الكلمات تدل على زمن الماضي البسيط. yesterday, last, you can say last month, last year, last Tuesday, ago, date, for example 1990 or 2015, any date. Look at this example. The first example is, I brought some tools from the garden yesterday. I brought some tools from the garden yesterday. Brought here is the past of bring. The second example, 2 years ago, my sister cooked pizza. 2 years ago, my sister cooked pizza. Cooked here is the past of cook. The third example is, last Monday, we saw an accident. Last Monday, we saw an accident. So, saw here is the past of see. The fourth example is, I bought a new car in 2015. I bought a new car in 2015. So bought here is the past of buy. Now the rule of the past simple. The first rule, subject plus verb in the past plus complement. If you want to make a sentence in the past, this is the rule of this tense. Look at this example. He went to the cinema yesterday. He went, he is the subject, went is the verb in the past, to the cinema yesterday, the complement of the sentence. To change the past sentence into negative, you have to add didn't after the subject and change the verb in the past into infinitive. Look at this example. He didn't go to the cinema yesterday. He didn't. You have to add didn't and change the verb into infinitive. He didn't go to the cinema yesterday. To change into a question, put at the beginning did. Then the subject, then change the verb into infinitive. Look at the example. Did he go to the cinema yesterday? Did he go to the cinema yesterday? I hope everything is clear in the past simple. So now do the exercise. The first exercise is put the verbs in the right form. You have 4 sentences. And the second question, write 3 sentences in the past. Thank you so much.